took place in some of the public schools. And aside from that number of severe damages, we also have minor damages that needs repair. Pag sinasabi nating minor damages, repair lang ang kailangan ng mga buildings na yan. Pag severe damage na gani, we need to say, we need to remove and reconstruct another building. So that is the characteristic ha. For minor damage, according to the report, according to the Ardana, that Ardana is the name of the report. That is Rapid Assessment on Disaster, Effect of the Disaster. Ardana ang tawag dyan ha. Based on the Ardana, this Ardana by the way, are being floated to schools. So ang schools ang maghatag og information. Mura siya link good. Nasa link na ay mga information na ginapangayo dito, then it is the school head or the school disaster risk reduction officer or yung school na DRR ninyo, sila ang nag-report what are the damages during yung earthquake na nangyari. And based on the Ardana, and the Ardana is the consolidation of all reports taken from how many schools? Meron tayo 420 schools plus 48 private schools. And based on the Ardana, yun ang lumabas. Now we have 75 ba yung sinabi ko? 75 severely damaged. And we have also 200 schools minor na nagkaroon ng minor damage. So with that minor damage, we need also to repair. Pag severe, reconstruct. Okay. So based on the computation, the calculation of the DRRM, we need 2.7 billion just to reconstruct new building and at the same time to repair, use to repair yung may mga